Hi there, I am Ismail from Pearl Lemon. When we think about SEO, we usually think about keywords. We create pages to target specific search queries, optimize titles and headings, and try to rank for those keywords in search engines. However, not every page on a website is designed to rank for a specific keyword. Some pages exist for completely different reasons, such as explaining the brand, guiding customers through the buying process, or building trust. Examples include about pages, brand storytelling pages, and certain landing pages. Even though these pages may not directly target keywords, they still play an important role in a website's overall SEO performance. In this lesson, we'll explore why these pages matter and how they indirectly support search visibility. Websites typically contain many different types of pages, and each serves a different purpose. Some pages are created specifically to capture traffic by targeting keywords and answering search queries. Other pages focus more on brand
While many
communication,
website owners
helping visitors to understand the company, its mission, or its values. Some pages exist mainly to improve user experience, such as product navigation pages or onboarding pages. And many pages focus on conversions, encouraging visitors to sign up, contact the company, or make a purchase. SEO professionals sometimes focus heavily on keyword driven pages, but the other pages are still extremely important for the overall performance of the site. One example of a page that rarely gets target keywords directly is the about page. Most people don't search for generic phrases like about per lemon when looking for information. Instead, the purpose of an about page is to introduce the brand. It explains who the company is, what it stands for, and why customers should trust it. From an SEO perspective, this page helps reinforce credibility and expertise. Search engines evaluate websites not only by keywords but also by signals that indicate legitimacy and authority. A strong about page contributes to that overall trust. Another type of page that may not focus on keywords is a brand storytelling page. These pages are designed to communicate the company's identity and values. For example, a brand might describe its mission, explain the inspiration behind its products, or highlight its commitment to certain principles. These pages help visitors feel more connected to the brand. While they may not rank for many search queries, they strengthen the website's overall identity and can improve how visitors perceive the business. This can indirectly support SEO because strong brands tend to earn more backlinks, mentions, and engagement. Many landing pages are also not designed for search engines. Instead, they are created for marketing campaigns, advertising traffic, or specific promotions. These pages often focus heavily on conversion optimization. The goal is to guide the visitor toward taking an action, such as signing up, requesting a demo, or making a purchase. Because these pages are designed for a specific audience or campaign, this may not be optimized for broad keyword search queries. However, they still play a key role in a website's overall marketing strategy. SEO brings visitors to the site organically, and landing pages help convert those visitors into customers. Even though these pages may not target keywords, they still support SEO in several indirect ways. First, they contribute to the website's internal linking structure. For example, an about page may link to key service pages or important content. Second, these pages help build trust with users. Visitors who understand a brand and trust it are more likely to stay on the site, explore more pages, and eventually convert. Third, strong branding can lead to more brand searches, mentions, and backlinks, all of which are important signals for search engines. In this way, non SEO pages will contribute to the overall authority and effectiveness of the website. A successful website is not only built with keyword targeted pages. Instead, it works like an ecosystem. Some pages attract traffic from search engines, others build the brand and create trust with visitors, and others guide users towards an action. When these different types of pages work together, the system of the website becomes stronger overall. Search engines see a site that provides useful content, clear information about the brand, and a positive user experience. SEO is not just about keywords. Not every page on a website needs to target a specific keyword. Pages such as about pages, storytelling pages, and certain landing pages serve different purposes. They help build trust, communicate the brand's identity, and guide visitors towards taking action. While they may not rank for many search queries themselves, they strengthen the overall website, and that directly supports better SEO performance. Understanding the role of these pages helps create a more balanced and effective website strategy. If you found this video useful, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.